Chapter 15, Sample Problem Number 7. The 6 figures below show identical blocks that have been placed in 6 different liquids. There is the same volume of liquid in all containers. All the blocks are at rest. The masses of the liquids vary and are specified in the figures. And we are asked to rank the liquids in terms of the force they exert on the block. So let's just take case A, and let's talk about that. In case A, there would of course be a gravitational force pulling down, and there would be a buoyant force lifting up. That comes from the liquid. And since they're at rest, we definitely have that the buoyant force minus the weight has to be 0, or the buoyant force on A is the weight of the block. But, and this is the key bit, the blocks are identical, so the weights for all of them are the same. So the force that's lifting up, which is this, is always equals to the same value, which means we end up with the idea that they're the same. A is the same as B, is the same as C, is the same as D, as E, as F. It's the same for all of them. We could have said that instead. What I have here is, it's key that they're at rest, but we know the buoyant force would have to equal their weight for them to be at rest. And since their weights are all the same, the buoyant forces are all the same.